Do you snore or keep your bed partner awake at night with your snoring? Have trouble maintaining your focus at work? Constantly feel sleepy or tired? Do you often wake up with a headache or get up more than once during the night? If so, you may be one of the millions who suffer from a sleep-disordered breathing condition called obstructive sleep apnea. These symptoms may seem mild, but you should discuss them with your doctor or dentist, who may refer you for a sleep test that can diagnose your condition. If left untreated, sleep-disordered breathing can lead to serious consequences, including weight gain, decreased stamina, depression, and heart disease. If diagnosed, or if you already struggle with CPAP treatment, mild to moderate OSA, or even just snoring, the Narval CC is a proven treatment option you should consider. Top dentists throughout the world are using custom-made dental appliances to help patients with obstructive apnea get healthier sleep. Narval CC is a highly innovative oral appliance created by ResMed, a global leader in therapy for sleep-disordered breathing. This custom-made dental appliance works by advancing your lower jaw while you sleep and opening the space behind your tongue to allow increased airflow. Your dentist will take a mold of your teeth and send it to ResMed so that a device can be designed and produced specifically for you using breakthrough technology. Narval CC provides maximum comfort while you sleep. It is small and discreet, durable, and easy to clean. Wearing Narval CC won't prevent you from being able to talk with your bed partner, and you'll be able to take a sip of water at your bedside without removing the appliance. Narval CC is so comfortable, more than 80% of patients wear their device every night of the week. So if you're tired of being tired, want to restore the quality of your sleep and take back your life, ask your dentist about Narval CC today and start dreaming again.